Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Trading with Ashley channel. I just need to be outside for a little while on a day like today. It has been very intense trading, but it's been great. And what I mean by intense is sometimes it can be more nerve-wracking when your portfolio is flying to new heights because you want to make sure that you take profit. And so I had Ashley live today with all of my community members, and our topic of discussion was how to properly take profit. So we looked at a few different scenarios and how to start to take a little bit of your chips off the table because we're trading so that we can actually make money. And if you just watch your portfolio go up and never do anything to capture those gains, well, then you could be left bag holding. Now, I am not predicting any kind of market crash or anything of that nature at this point. All the signs are there for an incredible bull run, which we are in the middle of. However, within that bull run, there will be pullbacks as new traders need to get on the money train and different people are taking profit because maybe they had been holding on to, let's say, Tesla shares for quite some time and they want to take some profits. So that causes a little bit of downward pressure on the stock. And so there's going to be a variety of ticker symbols like that. But the purpose of this video is to share with you a couple of things that are pretty important to prepare for the remainder of the week. And so one thing is I wanted to help all of you that are interested in learning how to trade, not just options and stock options, but crypto. I am offering a 2-hour boot camp this Friday where I will take you through and show you how to identify any of the cryptos that you want to trade with, how to identify the proper support and resistance lines, and how to set your orders. And so if you want a live boot camp with me, this one is obviously a lot less expensive because it is just for a few hours and we're just focused on one topic, and that is how to properly trade crypto, your favorite coins. And so if you want to do that, I'm going to leave the link below, but go ahead and grab your spot because it is such a popular boot camp when people take it that the spots go pretty quick. If you're interested, jump on that right now. It's going to be this Friday evening. All right, but let's talk about what I wanted to tell all of you with leveraged ETFs. So one of the things with leveraged ETFs that I love about them, it's selling puts. So even if it's not easy to get in and out of the chain, the way you win when you sell a put on a leveraged ETF, such as, let's say, MSTX, is it just can't reach the price that you said you would buy the stock at, and then you get to keep all the premium. But one of the problems with these leveraged ETFs is that they actually, most of them have monthly options instead of weekly options. Well, that monthly option, the expiration date is coming up right here on the 15th. So 11/15 is the expiration. So there is an incredible opportunity for all of you that want to enjoy the higher premium of a leveraged ETF, but you don't want to have to wait a long time for your trade to work in your favor. So you can go ahead and make those trades now, and they will expire in a few days. And so one of the things that I've been telling my community is I'm waiting for the perfect time to actually add to some of our MSTX trades, but I'll be watching for that tomorrow. And the reason is they will expire on Friday, and then all of our capital will be released to us as long as we select a strike price that won't be hit. And so if you have a favorite ticker symbol that has a leveraged ETF, you may want to consider that this would be the time to sell a put on that leveraged ETF. And so here are some of my favorite ticker symbols and their leveraged ETF counterpart, and look for expiration dates that are expiring on the monthly option chain, expiring in just a few days on 11/15. Here is MSTX. And then if you go to trade options, let me show you what it looks like. When you come up here to expiration date, you'll notice they have an expiration date 3 days from now, and then you jump to December 20th. So this is one with monthly options that you definitely would want to jump on now instead of having to do a trade that is 38 days from now. You can do one 3 days from now. The next one is ticker symbol NVDU. Again, it only has the monthly options, and that ticker symbol will expire in 3 days, releasing your funds if your trade was successful. If not, You could roll the trade or you could take assignment. If you want to go ahead and sell a put on NVDU, you would want to adjust this. You would want to do sell, put, and then I'm sticking with this expiration date. And then based on the different support levels will help you decide what level you want to sell a put at. But if you just have a few days left in it and you want at least an 80% probability, you'd probably come down right here to about the 127, and then you would select it right here. Now, this is going to be paying you 80 cents a share, so $80 by the end of the week if NVDU does not hit the 127 strike. Now, keep in mind, you sold the 127 put and you received a premium for that. If by Friday, NVDU is trading above it, you keep 100% of the premium, the money is released to you. But if you are put the shares, let's say it comes down to 125, well, you'll get the shares. However, you're overpaying for them at that point at 127 because that was the agreement. Now, it buffers a little because you got this 80 cents, but if that were to happen, all you have to do is wait for recovery until it gets back up to where you started at 127, then you start selling covered calls. Here are some of my leveraged ETF favorite ticker symbols. You've got Apple for Apple stock, Amazon, you also have Broadcom, we have Google, and then you have Meta, we have the MSFU, which is Microsoft, and then MU. I don't trade MU as much, but that's a good one. We traded NFXL the other day. That's a great one. There's your NVDU. Tesla is one. Now, this one's interesting because it used to have the monthly options, but it's so popular that they actually moved to weekly options. So that's actually kind of fun, and it's an easy roll because there is more liquidity on it. And then if you're interested in TSM, this is TSMX. And one last thing, our challenge for $25,000 MSTR challenge to see how much premium we can make selling options on MSTR, and for the smaller accounts, MSTX, we are on fire. We have rolled these trades 4 times, each time for a credit, and they are due to expire in a few days, and then we'll take a new trade. We may roll one more time. We're getting such great credits. And I don't know if you're aware, but you can roll a trade up. So we're choosing strike prices that have not been hit or anywhere near being hit. So what happens is that trade's continuing to move up, and we keep adjusting our strike price up for a credit. The further away it gets from your strike, then that option's going to be less expensive to repurchase. So what we do is we repurchase it and then we sell a new one with the same expiration date. We're having so much fun doing that. If you want to get in on the last few weeks of the MSTR challenge, where we can see how much premium we can make in a short amount of time, then go ahead and click that link below that is telling you to sign up for my newsletter. I have been sending out the link to join my Discord through the newsletter. And we have had so many new members join us just this week to be a part of the challenge. For those of you that completely missed out, don't worry. I'm going to try to come up with other challenges, but the time is now because the premiums are so incredible right now. We're just enjoying them. I'm going to be calling out I call them the money grab trade, my MSTX trade. I'm going to call that out tomorrow in Discord. So if you're interested in trading that leveraged ETF with the expiration date Friday and getting significant premium for it, then you do want to go ahead and join my Discord so that you can be a part of all the fun. Remember, if you're with Trading with Ashley, there is no trader left behind. Now, if you want to see more details on leveraged ETFs and how I use them to make extra money, I want you to watch that video right here.